Just yesterday, I dey cook for outside. My salt disappear. E pay me because to get the 150 naira, e no easy. I know how many effects I go create to get 150 naira. Gbere. So e pay me reach my bone. Come talk of today. We gonna see the big thing wey happen to somebody. They just steal the person phone and the person cry come meet me. Abeg, if you dey watch this video, make I teach you, because one thing na for them to steal your phone, and one thing na for them to enter through that phone when dem steal, they scrape everything wey you get for life. So make I teach you now how you go take lock up your phone immediately they steal your phone like this. Kpere, smartly beg somebody wey get Android for there, kpakpakpa, lock everything so that they no go enter into your account, scrape everything. Because most of us today, the way everything dey happen for Nigeria and the worldwide, everybody money dey inside phone. Anybody wey fit grab your phone, get access to your phone within a twinkle of an eye, fit cripple you financially. So on this video, I go teach you word for word how you go take do wetin, how you go take go lock that your phone, retrieve am back entirely from the hand of the criminal. Everything wey you get for that phone, retrieve am back automatically from the criminal, so that you know say even though they carry your phone, na the phone alone they carry, every of your credentials, everything about your life is saved. So watch this video. Let me teach you how to lock your stolen phone immediately. First, just find anybody when be say you know say he get big Android phone, sharp and beg am say abeg they steal your phone, no make it just help you want to lock up your phone so that they no go carry your credentials. Then the person give you, and immediately they give you, go to Google straight. You don't enter your Google account, you go see home, you go see personal info, you go see privacy, data and privacy, you see security. Go for that security, click on security. You go wait, cool down, wait, make it boot. So when you don't click on security, you go come dey screw up, just they go up, just they go up, recovery, just they go up, backup, just they go, your device, just they go up. Then you go see where they write find a lost device. When you see this find a lost device, just click am immediately. I put password for my phone. Just click am immediately. So after you don't click am, you go see all the phones when be say now you don't use your particular phone. You can see say me now I dey use this particular phone. I don't, for this phone now I don't use TechnoSpark 8C. I don't use Techno. You go see the phones the one I don't use. So you go click the particular phone, because that phone when be say you don't use with that particular phone go dey inside that person, automatically go show for that Gmail or that your Google account. So what you go do, that your phone as you show for that Google account, just click the phone. Move say for example now this Techno something I want retrieve. My phone not lost, I just use this one the teacher now. So you not go expect me say I go do everything finish. I just use a teacher now. You can't see and see what they write. So what you go can't do for you? Try calling your phone. Next step, you fit even make call. But even if you don't want to make call, this now what you go do? Just click sign out on your phone. Sign out on your phone. When you click sign out on your phone, everything concerning your level where be say the fit enter you don't sign them out. You understand? They no go fit get anything, any information, any good information about you again where they go fit collect, because you don't sign that particular phone out of reach. You understand? So that anytime you go retrieve your line, you can easily come back again. Now you sign them out, you can sign it inside any other phone. So I believe if this information when they tell you, so if he enter you and you know say you gain something, just follow me. subscribe to my channel, follow me, like this thing, let me understand, say wetin I teach you understand, so that next time if I get good information like this, I go dey teach una. Because if una no encourage me, even if I get good information, I no go dey teach una. So if you want make I dey teach una any good information when I get to save you, because I know say you wey dey watch me now, if you never know this system, na so they go steal your phone, you go Sarah. On my next video, I go teach you how you go take lock your phone, so that even if they not steal am, anybody know, because there are some people they not go steal your phone, but if you just forget your phone for somewhere, before you turn back like this, they don't click your phone, collect some things for inside your phone, whereby before you look, they don't cripple you for back, because they don't get your information. So I go teach you how you go take lock your phone thoroughly, so that your phone no go fit, they no go fit they enter inside your phone like that they steal. Or some of una when we say una go see app, they go say this app go make, from if you download this app for your phone, you go get money. You don't know, say they want to get your secret, so that they go in and take cripple you. So some of all those kind of app, then when una don't already download for inside on our phone, when we say that they wait until the day when we say that una go get money, me they lick am like sweets. I go show una how una go to do it. Go inside on our phone, comot all those kind app for on our phone, so that una go dey security fit for this December. Because I dey shook, pepper not red for anywhere now. I dey shook, and I not still blame all these guys that when we say that they do all these things hard. Shebi na me tell una say they steal my salt of 150 naira. I begin polongo. Things don't add. Salt of 150 naira today. Now salt of they buy 10 naira yesterday. Now be 150 naira. So things don't there. So I just dey pity us. You understand? So person no go suffer, gather money finish. When we say they even struggle to the money what they get now, upon all the money, all the dollars what they get, you know what they happen. Only food now they carry am for Nigeria now. When you can't talk of picking school fees, can't talk of all these things, then one person go come from one corner, can't scrape you, you're not too good. That is the reason why I say, okay, may I use this opportunity to teach una wey be my friends, my loved ones, all those of una wey be so now they follow me. So continue to they follow me. Any good thing when I know say if I teach am, we go help you, I go continue to the teach am. But the only thing when you go fit take encourage me to continue to the do am, not to do it. Watch the video to the end, gain am, tell another person, so that another person no go be a victim of unexpected wetin they call am circumstances. I don't know wetin they call am, I know say I no go school. So if you like follow the English, you no go gain wetin I teach. But if you not follow the English, if you follow the market woman when I be say market woman self still dey try to teach, still dey try to teach, take am, you go enjoy my teachings. So stay tuned, follow me for more teaching, because I go dey give una different expo when it go make una not fall into the hands of 419. different expo when this una go take get wetin una go dey do with una phone dey make money. Different expo as una go take help una self. Na me want to dey tell una now, because most of all this oyibo when they begin speak all their spirit, some people no dey know. Even me sometimes I no dey even dey hear them. Sometimes I no dey hear them. So that is the reason why I say no, make I use the language when me say I know say some of una dey hear, take teach us, so that we go know, because not be everybody now they hear all this as spirit. Like I dey tell somebody, oyibo not be anybody language. So for here I dey advise you when you dey watch me now, if anybody dey intimidate you, like yesterday one brother come dey intimidate me, say I call cash. I no go call cash. Oyibo na my language. If oyibo no be my language, I no go call cash. So I beg, jejeje do wetin, give me thumbs up if you know say you like wetin I dey do, make I continue to dey use this our Nigeria language dey teach us wetin we go do make life better for all of us. Give me thumbs up so that I go continue, because if I don't see your thumbs up, I go run, I go think say nobody like wetin I dey do. So if you want me to continue, give me thumbs up. Bye bye, I love you. You go succeed for anything when you dey do. All this thing when I dey teach you, you go succeed in Jesus name.